What was school life like in China's Xinjiang in ancient times? A document unearthed in 1969 in Astana Ancient Cemetery in Turpan, eastern Xinjiang, offers an intriguing glimpse. The document is a 5-meter scroll, written by Bu Tianshou, a 12-year-old student in 710 AD, Tang Dynasty. Bu transcribed several chapters of 2 books. The annotations of the Analects of Confucius by famous scholar Zheng Xuan and the Thousand-Character Classic, a Chinese poem used as a primer for teaching Chinese characters to children in ancient China. Both were assigned readings at that time.
我们现在看到的这件文书是蒲天寿《论语正选注》抄本，一个年仅12岁的小学生蒲天寿的家庭作业本。有意思的是，他在写完作业之后，在上面写了2句打油诗：写书今日了，先生莫闲迟，明朝是假日，早放学生归，充满了鲜活气息。从文献学的角度来看，《论语正选注》在唐代以后就失传了，但本世纪以来，吐鲁番出土了不少《论语正选注》的残本，而蒲天寿的这个抄本是所有残本当中保存最好且最长的卷子，对于研究儒家经典提供了珍贵的资料。
According to Chen Aifeng, Deputy Dean of the Institute of Turpan Studies, most documents of Zheng Xuan's annotations of the Analects of Confucius unearthed from the tombs of Astana are copies written by students, indicating that education in Xinjiang during the Tang dynasty was influenced by the Central Plains culture.